Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best plastic food containers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Freshware Meal Prep Containers. Containers with compartments allow you to take delight in every delish taste in your meal. Besides that, preparing food becomes much easier where you can just sort out the elements in your dish for a more enjoyable treat. With all these great features, Freshware makes sure to have them all incorporated in their plastic food containers. Crafted with 3 compartments, you can prep the food according to the proportion you want. Made from FDA-approved and BPA-free material, Freshware ensures safe, premium quality, and reliable storage for your food. As they are freezer-safe and microwave-safe, packing and storing food at different temperature levels won't be a problem. These containers retain their heavy-duty quality that you can use both for packing and storing all sorts of food. At number 4. SimpleHouseware One-Compartment Food-Grade Meal Prep Storage. They are compact, portable, efficient, and easy to clean. SimpleHouseware definitely made their containers sleek, simple, yet functional that allows the users to prep and store meals hassle-free. Each container features an ideal capacity for packing go-to meals and keeping the food portion in control, particularly when you're serving multiple guests or family members. And with its compact size and airtight lids, you can just slip it into your bag without the spills and leaks. Another impressive point most users found on these containers is its stackable feature. When you're done with the takeaway meals and prepping food, you can slide them in the dishwasher and stack them up for quick and easy storage. These BPA-free and FDA-approved containers also showcase sturdy quality that can withstand freezing and hot temperatures. At number 3. DuraHome Food Storage Containers. Optimizing your storage shelf in the kitchen is easier with food storage containers. Having said that, DuraHome crafted plastic food containers in a variety of convenient sizes to provide ample space for your food, whether it's for on-the-go meals or tidying up the snacks and leftovers in your fridge. These heavy-duty plastic containers are sturdy enough to withstand both freezing and hot temperatures. You can use them to warm your food up or store cold goods and leftovers in the freezer. In addition, the containers are sealed and secure with airtight lids to make sure any form of food, solids or soups, won't leak or spill. If you also need additional storage for the condiments, sauces, dressings, or variety of foods, these containers would be an excellent fit. And because it uses BPA-free and FDA-approved material, DuraHome reassures supreme quality and safety. At number 2. Food Storage Containers with Lids by Fullstar. If you're preparing food for your family or just want to store leftovers or snacks properly, Fullstar offers another stunning storage collection with this 12-piece set. All equipped with tight lids, you won't have to worry about leaks and spills when you put the food away. And when you're done using them, you can wash them easily in a dishwasher. They are stackable, too, so setting them aside for the next use won't be a problem. Just like any Fullstar plastic food containers, this set also guarantees durable quality and excellent storage capacity. Aside from storing food until the next reheat, these microwave-safe containers also work well in the freezer and therefore, can extend the shelf life of your cold goods such as fish and meat. Even with the wavering temperatures, these food containers ensure great quality that doesn't easily break or damage over time. Finally at number 1. Freshware Food Storage Containers with Lids. Freshware keeps up with the quality and safety standards with their durable BPA-free and food-safe polypropylene material. These plastic food containers are ergonomically designed in a round shape with 3 different storage capacities. Not only do they provide easy and efficient food packing, but also keep your storage items neat and organized. Crafted with durable construction, these containers can be used safely for reheating food and storing cold cuts in the freezer. As they retain the freshness and quality of your food, these Freshware containers can withstand different temperature phases without breaking or cracking easily. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.